Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to log out of your Kindle account. Logging out is important if you are switching devices or want to ensure your account security. So let's get started on how to log out of your Kindle account. First, open the Kindle app on your mobile device. Tap on the More option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the Settings option from the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Sign Out option. Once you find it, tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to sign out. Tap the Sign Out button to confirm. And this is how you can log out of your Kindle account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.